Did you know one man's courage to tell the truth freed thousands of innocent people from prison? In 1986, Dr. Fred Whitehurst was a chemist working for the FBI crime lab. He loved science and believed in finding the truth. But soon, he noticed something terrible. His co-workers were changing test results. They were lying about evidence to help prosecutors win cases. Innocent people were going to jail because of fake lab reports. Some even faced the death penalty. Fred faced a huge choice. He could stay quiet and keep his good job or speak up and risk everything. The FBI bosses threatened him when he complained. They moved him to a basement office and tried to force him to quit. But Fred knew what was right. He secretly wrote down over 3,000 fake cases. He contacted investigators and testified to Congress about the lies. It destroyed his career at first, but his bravery led to the biggest criminal justice scandal in American history. Hundreds of innocent people were freed. The entire FBI lab was reformed. Fred became a hero who changed science forever.